Want to know how to whip up a pernil that'll make your neighbors want to come over? Stay tuned, because I've got the juiciest tips and tricks coming right up. First things first, let's talk marinade. Grab your garlic, olive oil, oregano, cumin, black pepper, salt, paprika, adobo, allspice, vinegar, and lime juice. Mix them up until you've got a paste that smells like a party. Next up, take that pork shoulder. Oh, make sure it's patted dry like a baby's bottom, and get ready to give it some love. Make deep cuts all over, really get in there, then massage that marinade right into the meat, under the skin, and into every nook and cranny. Pop that bad boy in a roasting pan, cover it up with some plastic wrap, and let it chill in your fridge. Overnight, folks, patience is key. Now crank that oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, and let's get roasting. Start covered for 4 hours, then unleash that pork by removing the foil, and let it go for another 2 to 3 hours. You want that skin crispy and the meat so tender, it practically hugs you back. Let it rest a bit before you dive in. Trust me, it's worth the wait. Then carve it up and serve with your fave sides. Congrats, chef, you've just made pernil perfection.